Hey, so if your microphone is not working in Audacity, yeah, like you try to record but there's no input or the waveform stays flat, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure the right microphone is selected in Audacity. Wrong input device is the most common issue. Next, yeah, check Windows privacy settings. Your microphone access might be turned off. Now, switch the audio host in Audacity. Try MME or Windows WASAPI, depending on your setup. Yeah, make sure the recording volume is turned up. Sometimes it's just too low to detect sound. Microphone access. Turning it off can fix the issue. Yeah, audio services can freeze sometimes. Restarting them can bring your microphone back. Now, outdated drivers can stop your microphone from working properly. Updating them often fixes it. Yeah, corrupted settings in Audacity can block recording. Resetting preferences can fix it quickly. If nothing works, reinstall Audacity. This resets all audio configurations and fixes broken files. So yeah, that's how you fix Audacity. Microphone not working. Most of the time, it's permissions, wrong device selection, or driver issues. Try these steps and your mic should work again. Thanks for watching.